is so boring. Heard about when I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fun.
Tonight I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kiki. You don't know say I'm back with the next video. Not kill me for Japan next video. So sorry to your girl Key Royalty, which is me. Now I'm gonna do my ear currently after 10. I know. You can see the sun behind me. Dimples by beauty. I come do the ear when I got so oh my ear do good and nice. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and watch the ads.
So my babies, I had to do a voiceover because I couldn't talk in the video same time while I'm doing my hair because I want to keep focus and I want to stay still. As y'all can see, it's after 10 in the night and I was so tired because I was there from morning but I just got my hair done in the night because she had a lot of clients and you know I'm her ambassador, so I didn't have any problem staying up so late. Now I'm doing my hair back. I'm doing cornrow braids and it's gonna look so beautiful. Like, it's gonna look so beautiful. I cream my hair, but as you can see, it don't look cream, but it is cream. Probably it's just a little touch up, but yeah. So let's watch.
If you come here home intoxicated, ooh, so you better take your time. Me, so I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. Me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Me. I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing.
So as y'all can see, the back of my hair is finished and now I'll be starting the cornrows. Yeah. So you just need to get your hair done by Dimples because she got it done perfectly. And as I can see, I was so tired bad because you know I'm pregnant. So I'm so tired, but you know I needed to get my hair done. So yeah.
Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind when my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci, but the body Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, cause your love is crazy.
So as you can see, my hair is reached part way. It hasn't finished as yet, and it's looking good so far. Like, yeah, my hair is looking good so far. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. You know, I'm a little coolie. I'm not a little coolie, I'm a coolie. I cream out my hair to make my hair do better because my hair is so thick. So she just cream it out so it can do better and stay longer. So yeah, watch the rest.
I might start up and going like I'm Mr. I won't ride that new rose that been it be. We gon' concentrate near the double C. And I brought her back out of love of me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. Fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. Want the rollie two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the boy with no evidence. I pay my dues with like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it grow like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got a stick with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they want a war. I treat these hoes like they want a war. I smoke the dog when you go to war. I smell like dogs with a whole I made it play at the time, dog, and I had double gold with some bubble gum. I got a chain that's from the sun, and I jab all over my one. Shout even crazy me weighing money back. I can't take you all like a paragon.
Guys, don't laugh after me right here, because right here my hair was so freaking tender because guess what, it's cream and it was burning me and stuff. So I actually cried, but I cut out that part.
I fell in love with a lesbian.
Hey, belle, la bastiki, la papaya, no la potato, la potato.
I can't find it. I can't find it. I can't find it. I'm fucking a hungry. I know I'm crazy, I did it. 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 How many silver it means? How much they pay me a million? I sure that they did me that charity. Take a quick be smacking the ceiling. I call my people and my children. I go on church in my millions. Who's taking over the world? Who made it up in the billions? I need you to listen. I'm a rich man. We touch like the millions. I don't like this.
Hey guys, I'm back with the next video vlog. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah.
La bastiki, la papaya.
If it's not chop it, you are fuck boy. If it's not chop it, Girl, I'm a fire. Little short skirt. Yes, little short skirt.
But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh.
I hit my shorty back. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass.